What's up, everybody? This is a kind of a continuation of the previous video I uploaded. The previous video was about showing you guys all the paperwork of all the work they did on my Alfa Romeo Giulia, all like the maintenance and all the parts they replaced, and showing you guys what exactly they did. So this is the same day. Actually, I'm recording this right after. So just a quick little history. So my car's been in the shop for 9 weeks because I had a check engine light on. I got the car back finally. They did a lot of work on it. They changed like half the engine. They replaced the radiator. And then when I got the car, I drove it home. It was working fine. There's no issues. I just noticed like the engine on the kind of computer screen over here, when you check like the car maintenance, like kind of like the computer where it checks like how well your oil levels are and how well your tire pressures are, etc. That the engine was a little low, like the engine level oil, sorry, was a little low, it was below the line. So I was like, that's not really normal. And they worked a lot on the engine, so I would think they would do an oil change. Anyway, so I drove to the shop again, and I told them like, hey, can you please change the oil because it looks like a little low. I'm not sure if you guys should have done it, because in actually the report it said they did an oil change, but why is the oil level below the line? That's interesting to me. Can you guys please take care of it? And so they did. They changed the oil, and I was driving after I picked it up again. I was driving home, and then I see this. So this is what I saw after they did oil change or oil flush. So I turn on the car. So yeah, max oil level exceeded. So I go over here on the menus. I go to car status. Boom, right over here. Oil level high. So I don't know. Look over here. It says this temperature doesn't go up when I drive, but it is frustrating because it's like another problem after another problem. So that's kind of very frustrating because it's barely been over a week that I got the car back. Actually, it's only been a week since I kind of gave it back to them to change the oil. So I now have to go back again to show them, hey, what's wrong with the oil level? It says it's over the maximum amount. I actually gave it to you guys so you guys could fix it, and you guys actually kind of, I think, made it worse, because before I wasn't getting a warning label, a warning sign. Now I'm getting one because it's too high. Before it was kind of too low, but I'm like, it should be the proper amount. It should be taking a brand new oil change. So now I have to go back and then show them. And I really hope this doesn't like cause more problems, in the sense of like there's gonna hold it for another week, because I'm sick of not having my car. So I'm really hoping they don't keep it for a long time, but we'll see. I know there's some of you guys with Alphas have been watching me, telling me, giving some tips. So for you guys watching, has this ever happened to you guys? Is this a big deal? Can you still drive the car with this maximum oil level on, or do I have to immediately drop it off to the shop? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for being so patient. All right, see you guys next time.